Hello traders, it's Ashkan with another roadmap of the day. Let's back to the chart and see what happened at it today. First of all, same as always, we will go at the daily or even weekly to see what happened. If you remember guys, at the vision of the day, I've told you this area, these two areas is like a edge, it's like a range for the price. If price could break and close above that or below that, it could be like a sign that it's gonna go up or down. So if this weekly candle could close above that area, it could be sign that it will be going up. Okay, so at the daily time frame, I've mentioned exactly at the vision of the day, I've told this area is very important, and we expected the price to come to this area, and I've told you if we have a good confirmation, good candlestick, it could be a sign that it's gonna going up. So it's gonna be happen. I don't know how the daily candle could be closed, but this is like could be a sign that that it could be a sign that the price gonna going up. But as I mentioned, sorry, these trend lines could be mentioned in your trading. Okay. And just by the way guys, wait for the announcement, it will be good, maybe like a gift for your new year. Okay, let's go to the H4. What do we have at the H4? Price as you see, just price went up in that area and price went back down, tap to this broken base area. Okay, broken base area, and we have this type of candle, and the next candle is filled this week and went up and closed above that. It could be a sign that it's gonna going up. So let's back to M15 to see what opportunity that we had and do like a simulation on it. Okay, time that I will start trading will be around that area. Okay, it will be the Neo H4 candle, Neo H1 candle, and it will be 1 hour before Frankfurt open. Okay, I will go to the chart to see what do we have, or if I could have any opportunity. And the last H4 candle, formation is so important for me. Okay, the next candle is like that. I will say, okay, we have like this base area. Okay, this is like a base area, and I should wait for breakout for each side of it, and it's so important for my future trade. And here like a 30 minute 45 minute before Frankfurt open, the price is close and break above the base area. Okay, above the base area, so I will go for buy now, and I will according to the structure, okay, it showed me it could be a good buy because the price is back to this zone, went back down, and it didn't make a low. It tapped to this base area and it went up. So it's like a sign that this structure is telling me that it's gonna go up. So I will go for a buy from that area, the same as always, like a 10 pips, even less. Okay, because if it's gonna going back down, it will be retraced to this area at the end, or if it going below that area, it could be sign that it's gonna go down. It will be like a fake base breakout, maybe just going back down and completely going down. Okay, the next area that will be the fresh zone. It will be the fresh zone, and we will enter the market. I've mentioned exactly about this trade at the vision of the day. Go and watch it again. Okay, it just, as you see, how perfect guys, it just come down. Okay, do you see guys, it just came down around that area, tap, and went up. And this candle, if it closed like that, it could be another sign that it's gonna going up. So we have a 2 bullish candle above the breakout area. Okay, so it just went up. Okay, it's good, everything is good now, and that's it. It hit the target, and 16 bit. Now you could close partial. As you know, we always going to close partial our trades. Okay, let me close this trade. Oh, okay. Now we will have two options. Okay, now we will have this retrace from that area. If it could comes down again here, we could wait for a buy, or if we have, because you know for the sell it's not logical, because if you enter around that area, let's see how many pips. It will be like a 9 pips, as I told you. At least you should have 15 pips for this range. Okay, and as you see, it's a bullish momentum, guys. It's a bullish momentum, and we have a bullish momentum, guys. Okay, it's a sign. So now we will go to see how the candle will be closed. The next candle is so important. Okay, guys, what is that, guys? Tell me. You should say, okay, all of you, repeat after me. It's a tiny FTR. It's a beauty tiny FTR. Okay, tiny FTR happening in the momentum, just easy as hell. We could go for a buy in that area. Stop loss will be around that area. 10 pips will be okay. Okay, I'm okay with this stop loss. The target could be around, I don't know, maybe around that area for a first target. You know, it's an important level. It just rejected from that area. We have a line with tips around that area, so it's okay. We will go into a trade. Tiny FTR happened. Price is in momentum. You know that. It's a sign to bullish candle after the tiny FTR. It's a sign that it's gonna go up. Okay. What? Oh, how perfect was that? It just hit the target and back down. We will close partial around that area, and that's it. 2 wins in just less than, I don't know. It's just the London session just started from that candle, and it just push off the London session. Okay, so 2 trades, 2 win, about 1 hour, about 90 minutes. Okay, so everything was fine in that area. Okay, let's remove it, and if we just consider this area as an important area, okay, as a broken FTR in that area, let's see what will be. Oh, it's a wrong button. Okay, price it tap to this area. As you see, we have this area and this area. And this area as a line with dips. We could move the line to the guys. It's so funny, guys. How? No, it's not my luck, guys. I've explained these tips, these zone tips, about, I don't know, 1 month, 2 months ago. And do you see how amazing is that? Okay, if I wanted to have a risky position, I could enter as a sell around that area. Okay, because I believe this will be happen. But because in this video I should just show you the regular casual trading, I will skip it. Okay, the next candle, it just break from the low. It could be like engulfing, but the thing is, if I go for a sell in that area, you know, the range is so tight, so I will not go for any sell around that area, because you know you could go for a risky position, but I will not go because the range, it's against the rules that I've mentioned before. And the price is a bearish. It's a sign that it's gonna going down. But the next candle is so important. If the next can be bullish, it could be like doing like a double top, or maybe break this area. If the next candle be a bearish, okay, it will be going down. The next, the next candle is so bearish, guys. It's so bearish. Okay, and we have done the one thing that I love it. The broken FTR has been break with momentum, guys. With momentum. I will go for a sell limit. The edge of this area. The 10 pips. The 10 pips stop loss. Target could be this fresh zone, this base area. And okay, let's see. It's okay, the formation is good. If the next candle make it like a tiny FTR, it could be going down. So you could go for a tiny FTR trading after while the next candle is running. Okay, just went down and Ta-da! That's it. You know, guys, it's a beauty of broken FDR. Okay, guys, it's so good. Okay, let's go further. Let's remove it. It's just back to this fresh base area. Okay, it's a fresh base area. Because of the momentum, it's the best way for trading is wait for like a double bottom happening, you know, in a basic rules of myself, or something else that I will explain later, maybe in that surprise that I've mentioned. Okay, price is back up. It's not important candles, but this candle could be like a sign for me. Okay, price break that high. It just make like a flip. So if it, you know, it will be a risky position. It's not for all. You know, I always will do like this. I will put the like a buy limit when this happen. The like a 10 pips. The target could be this fresh zone, but I will put like around, I don't know, maybe this area, because of this and this. Maybe just it didn't go to this area. Okay, and let's see magic of the market structure. Okay, beauty of market structure. Okay, let it go. So it reached the target, and we'll skip to see what do we have. It just went up. It's gonna go up and up and up. It just back to the fresh zone. It's a fresh zone, guys. What happened? Okay, it's a fresh zone. So it could be two scenario now. If the candle could close above that area, if we have a good FDB, we could go for a buy. Or if we have a good confirmation as a double top, do you see? And we have like a third touch at the trend line too. If you draw it, we could go for a sell, but a risky sell. Okay, let me remove these things. Okay, we have a bearish engulfing, the easy and basic confirmation for entry. We could go for a sell. Okay, the target could be, you know, here or here. Why I've mentioned, because it could be like a broken FDR as well. No, it's just broken and maybe tap it, and then after that it could be going up. Okay, it reached the target in the next candle, and just because of news I knew that, but it was a good chance to have a buy. Okay, after that the market got crazy, just went back up, but no, you could go for a buy in that area, but I rather to do not do that, and it just went up and up. No, so that's it. It will be the our roadmap of the day. If you have any question, you could ask. You know, I love to answer your trading question. It's okay, do not be hesitated, and just wait for the announcement. I just want to do something that will makes you happy, or if you worked hard, maybe be a pro trader, and maybe 2021 will be your year. I will try to do that. I will try. Have a good night, and review your market, and God bless you all. God bless you all.